Well, the title of my work is Momentum. Normally that's a general title. There's a code added every time I perform the installation because it has a cycle of 4 to 5 days. So I'm archiving it as I perform it. So every time I build up the installation, I give it a different code. So that's the title. My work is my name is Xandra from Eijk, and I just graduated MA Art Science. Before this I studied graphic design, also at the same academy here in Eijk. My graphic design, I still like the profession, but also there I graduated with interactive performance. So yeah, that's the reason why I decided to go on, because graphic design wasn't enough. I had to find the boundaries, and I really like making interdisciplinary works. So that's why I tried to make this one. The installation consists of a dripping system, which is moved in every 2 hours to the next spot. It floats on specially prepared water, which lasts around for 4 to 5 days. So the installation has a maximum. It decays as time passes. The dripping system consists of 3 colors. It's a specially prepared pigment mixture, which floats on the surface, but because of the special mixture, it cannot mix. The pigments cannot mix with each other. So that's why they press each other to the sides, and they start to find their own boundaries because of the size of the tub. They start to break and start to decay themselves, also because the water decays during the time the installation lasts.